There's some good easy lines through it.
I can't believe I walked that.
I know. Once you find the right line, it's not that bad. Yeah, this is much harder than
I better have been recording. Oh yeah, we're recording. This is easier?
Yeah, so there's gonna be like a bit of a rock roll. Just follow my line through it. But it's not really a rock roll. It's like you have to just go up on a rock.
Yeah, we'll see.
I mean, we could ride Ripper, but it's harder.
If you say so.
Ripper's like, there's 2 line options, but the one is literally impossible. Like you can't, you can't. Unless you're Jeff Lenowski and you buddy hop back over to the other side. You got this. You're not gonna walk. If you walk it, we're gonna push back up.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah.
That wasn't bad.
No. You walked that too. Good job, buddy. This part's not hard. Just a little rock roll.
Okay.
Not steep or anything. Did you?
Yeah, Gucci.
Gucci Mane?
Gucci.
Gucci Mane or Gucci Gang?
Both? I remember this. Can't see anything. Oh, this was the part.
Go around. Go like... Yeah, this part's a little sketch. I roll over that rock. Like the flatter one. But it's a little blown out. So if you come like this way, you can ride it. I'm gonna go right down through here. Stay right. Definitely don't eat off of that rock.
Hold on, can't get my feet right.
Yeah, what?
All right. I'm not gonna do the skinny. Now we're just on Lower Ripper, right?
Yeah, this is Lower Ripper.
All right, now I can put my glasses, put my goggles back on. Yeah, I remember this. Oh, they leaf blew it.
Yeah.
Nice. Sir?
Thank you, sir. Good job, buddy. I'm proud of you. You
Thank
did
you.
something new.
I did. And I actually didn't walk it.
No.